I didn't get cardio.
All right, so you have to be able to see the floor. Oh, nice. Yeah, well done. All right, so you got to be able to see the floor for this to be pertinent. Okay, watch what happens when. So Noother's just going to hold it. She's going to be a end post. Okay, watch what happens to the wave pulse when it hits her. Bounces back. What else happens? It flips. Everybody go with that? Everybody see how it flips? Yeah. Okay, so what would happen if I sent 2 wave pulses? At some point, they're going to interfere with each other. Does that make sense? If I sent multiple wave patterns, we got interference kind of going all over the place. You good with that? What would happen if I did it continually? I get a lot of interference. Some places are constructive, some places are destructive, it's like blah, blah. But sometimes, if I get it just right, I get what's called a standing wave. Okay? Some parts are experiencing destructive interference, other parts are experiencing constructive interference. Where would be the parts we're experiencing destructive interference be? The nodes, where the like in the middle parts. Okay, and the parts that are always experiencing constructive interference are the antinodes, where there's bulging. Okay, so check this out. We're going to stand up. Okay, look how much I'm shaking my hand. The amplitude that I'm shaking my hand compared to the amplitude of the antinodes, which is bigger? The antinodes are way bigger. How's that possible? I'm the source of this. How is it way bigger? Constructive interference. Does that make sense? You've got constructive interference going on? Okay. All right. So you are, thank you very much. All right. So here's a slow motion animation of what you just saw. Okay, so this is the slinky, this is the undisturbed medium, this is me giving a wave pulse, this is a neutral on this side, and watch what happens when it hits the end. Yikes. Okay, so this part would be considered standing wave. This would not be standing. Does that make sense? Why they call it, give it the adjective of standing? It's like staying still. These are your nodes, antinodes, antinode. Good with that? Okay. Now, in the hallway, we're going to go super fast. You're going to pair up with anybody you want with. One's going to be a wave giver. The other one's going to be the in post. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to stretch this out a little bit, not a crazy amount. Okay. Grab it like this. Don't stick your finger through it. It's going to hurt. And try to establish first harmonic. It's going to look like a jump rope. It's going to be on the ground. Do it on the ground. Okay. Spread out. Try to be quiet because other classes are in class. Okay. Go. Hallway. Go, 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 go. We have not much time. Not much time. Try to do first harmonic, and then second harmonic, and then third harmonic, and then after that's a free for all. So see how you can get. Okay, so first follow-up question. Did a standing wave occur at any and every frequency that you shook the spring at? Or did you have to work at it in order to like get the? Okay, so it doesn't happen any and every frequency. There's only specific ones. Okay, and you had to find it. You okay with that? Okay. Now, in order to go from the first harmonic to the second harmonic, what did you have to do different to make the second harmonic? Faster or more frequent. Okay. So the relationship. Okay. So you have your first harmonic, right? Or your fundamental frequency. Okay. Sub 1, first harmonic. Okay. This is the nth harmonic, where n is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So n is this. So is everybody okay with this? Not like hashtag pound, but also number of harmonics. Okay. So if I want the second harmonic, I'm going to take 2 times my first harmonic. If I want the third harmonic, I'm going to say 3 times the first harmonic. You okay with that? Does that match with what you just experienced? Okay, like here's your fundamental frequency. To go the second harmonic, you'd have to go 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3, and to go to the third harmonic, you need to go 1 and 3, triple T, triple T, triple T, triple. Get with that? Okay, rock it out.